Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you as we have gathered here today from different time zones. At the outset, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to Mr. Ala Zohari, President of FAIR, Mr. Fasih Firi, Vice President of FAIR, for giving me an opportunity to present views on upcoming 2022 renewal. I also convey my sincere thanks to Ms. Heba Faud for her excellent coordination and cooperation. Reinsurance broker plays important role in bridging the gap between the insurance company and reinsurer. And this has been the journey for JB Buda for more than 75 years now, having established in 1943. The post-COVID-19 situation and unexpected natural catastrophic events that took place this year in Asia, Africa, and Europe has been the eye-opener and made the market a bit nervous and volatile on the reinsurance renewals for 2022. The uncertainty still prevails, and in fact, some losses due to COVID-19 are still subject matter of discussion for the insurance and reinsurance industry as a whole. Reinsurance brokers' involvement and contribution in sharing market intelligence with their respective cedants and presenting reality of the state of the market plays major role in smoothing the renewal process. The market-specific experience and also the overall experience of the company, country, region, and continent are influencing the overall renewal process. Reinsurers, however, do consider positively risk-managing aspects of ceding company and taking the relationship with the spirit of partnership and loyalty is of vital importance as we are in the long-term relationship being renewed on annual basis. Uncertainty behind COVID-19 persists, and recent challenge is now on the climate change, and this is now deliberated at length in two categories. First is natural climate change and second is man-made climate change. The visibility changes, the environment effects of the past records and leading towards erratic changes in all seasons, including catastrophic events like earthquake, flood, and cyclone. Although green gas effect plays its role to some extent, however, volatility remains. It is therefore collective efforts at the government and the regulator level to ensure that the climate changes which may lead to major financial and insurance losses can be regularized with best possible measures and without adding more pressures on the insurance and reinsurance industry. Continuing brokers' role and post-COVID-19 bounce back of worldwide economy. There will be continuous insurance demand for which reinsurance capacity and awareness on some of the new exclusions and conditions are becoming requirement in the changing scenario. Reinsurance broker with the experience of international market and various territories allows them to accumulate this experience from various areas and makes them more acquainted with wider knowledge and market developments for sharing with their ceding companies. Some of the contributions from reinsurance broker can be: number one, understanding clients' real requirement with preparation of timely renewal submission. Number two, facilitating and sharing with clients prevalent practices and available solutions. Number three, introduction of new reinsurers, including virtual meetings as and when required. Four, assist ceding company in developing new products and reinsurance requirements with economic developments in the country for overall premium growth and make the premium stable and sustainable. Last is to explore in arriving at market agreed rate on specific class of business to avoid unhealthy competition and thereby stabilizing and balancing the market performance as a whole. This is a collective efforts that the market can put together to sell the insurance at the right price, as insurance industry is a part of the business activity. Finally, the trend of reinsurance requirements and the capacity provided by the reinsurers worldwide will be of prime importance. bringing some of the conditions by reinsurers for 2022, having experienced COVID-19 and also the catastrophic event in this year. And with the growing uncertainty, is to be realistic for achieving reinsurance protection with available solutions. Brokers with this will continue to play a vital role in balancing the overall relationship, in putting best possible deal from the reinsurance market, including any alternative risk transfer mechanism. Also, experience built up by their clients with prudent underwriting and claims controlling measures will well contribute in making reinsurance relationship and renewal most effective and seamless. I wouldn't take more time. Thank you once again for all of you for your kind attention and mercy book. Over to you, Mr. Fasifiri.